Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I'm unboxing a new product which is Chromecast with the Google TV, and it is a 4K model, and they have the HD version also, but this one is a 4K model. And if your TV is not smart, or if you are using different entertainment apps like Amazon Prime or either Netflix, or there are so many other software apps we are using, so it will be better to keep them on one platform so that you can choose in one go which movie you want to play, and like different segments, horror movie, comedy movie, or drama, family drama, so you can choose so many options. Plus in this one you can see the TV channels also, live TV channel, which is a channel 9 and channel 7 without the antenna, through the internet. So let me show you what's inside the box, and if you have any question, please leave it in the comment. I will be happy to answer. And please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more such similar unboxing video. Let's see what's inside the box. So let me show you what's inside this small box. So this is Chromecast with the Google TV and 4K model, and these have a lot of channels like YouTube, Netflix, Spotify, Prime Video, Stan TV, and iView, and Disney World, and Apple TV, and plus you can play the Google Photos also, and plus live channel 9 and channel 7. So this is very compact streaming device, Google TV, and this has a HDMI output, so you can put up directly HDMI output. And this is the very sleek remote control, so which has a quick button for Netflix and YouTube. And this is the startup guide to set up. And then so it comes with the USB to type C cable, and that will be for the power, so you have to put up the type C here, and then this will go to the wall adapter, USB wall adapter, so you have to power this. So as you can see, this will go, USB will go here, so that way you can put up in the plug, and this will go behind the TV in the HDMI point. So, and this has two AAA batteries also for the remote control. So this was pretty much inside the box. So this is my Google TV, and this is a streaming device, and then this was a remote control, and this is the charging cable, USB to type C, and there are two AAA batteries for the remote control, and this is the wall adapter, USB wall adapter, and this is the empty box, and this is the setup guide. So this was pretty much inside the box. So this is the remote control, and on the top is a left, right, and cursors, and in the middle, if you press, you can select your option. And this is the back button, and this is the voice command. You can say hey Google, and you can find out and search. And this is the home key, and this is the mute button, and then you have a shortcut keys for YouTube, and this is for Netflix, and this is the power button. To set up, let me put up the battery first inside this remote control. Just turn the remote control and slide down, and So there you put up the cell batteries like this, and this will be going like this, and just you have to close the lid. So that's it. So it is ready now. You can see the power is on here in the remote. Now I will be showing you how to set up the Chromecast Google TV. So I have plugged in, turn it on. So it is showing me the language English. So with the remote control, I have to select that. So first is the English, Australia. So I have to select that. So now it is asking me to set up with the Google Home app. So I have connected to my Wi-Fi. Now it is downloading the system update. So it's saying Chromecast will restart soon. I am connecting to my projector room, so that is how the quality is little bit low. So I am starting the Google TV now. So after the updates and installing the updates, so I am starting the Google TV now. So now you have to sign with your Google account. See, now you have to select the service. So like these are Netflix I selected, and Prime Videos I selected, and Disney I don't have, or I can say 7 plus I selected, and then I can select ABC View. Yeah, okay. And then I can select any other if I have like iOS Sports or Apple TV or Spotify account I can select, and whichever you want you can select that, and see, and then you can say confirm, and then you have to like it's saying get personalized recommendation from across your streaming services. So whatever you have apps you have selected, so you can see all the videos, all this from the different channels, different apps on one platform. So that is the beauty of this streaming device. So it is setting up my TV. So your Chromecast with the Google TV is ready. See, I got this message now, and start exploring. You have to press that, and this is my home screen, as you can see that. So on the top left is the my picture, then for you, and then is movies and TV shows, and then the apps. So let's say Netflix now, channel 9 now, 7, 10, and these are the apps now: Netflix, YouTube, Stan, Prime Video, Disney, and 9, and 7, and ABC View, and see, you can see by categories also: app categories, entertainment, music and audio, video players and editors, tools, lifestyle, sports, news and magazine, productivity, education, health and fitness, communication, business. And see, you can see the other device also, apps from other devices like CNBC Play, SRF, Tubi, Sony Live, and so many apps and features like Paramount. So there is plenty of entertainment. So music one is, see, you can see the Spotify, Amazon Music, My Tuner, Tidal, Equalizer, and entertainment apps Crunchyroll, the Weather Network, Red Bull, Watch, Discover, Join In, Netflix, and NFL. So lot of apps you have. See, as you can see, some of that is Yup TV, and Mubi, Fox News, Bloomberg, Netflix. See, there are a lot of choices, and then the library also. so you can save that, your purchase, rental or anything, so you can save that. So, and this is the settings, so for any screen mirroring, those kind of things. And see, and you can see the weather and the Wi-Fi information. And then I will be showing you the movies, like, see on the movies app, if you see, you can see the popular movies. And this is the romantic movies, as you can see, Bollywood's movies, and like those one. And same way you can see, now on streaming services. And a lot of movies, like 1970s movies, if you are loving those kind of movies, as per your choice, because it is picking up my YouTube account, so it is combining those kind of things. So if you see, these are my on the Prime videos, so it is showing all my things from the Prime videos. And you can see that. So let's say I'm looking for this movie Tejas, so I'm going for that. So it is saying thriller, and 1 hour and 52 minutes. And if I see, I have to subscribe to the Z5, otherwise I can't watch that. So you have to go back and see this one, like Merry Christmas. So there are a lot of movies you can see. So as this is a 4K device, so let me show you the quality, how good it is. And I am just coming on the movies here. Let's say this is my Bollywood movie Razi. Let me play that, and I will show you. So it is on Prime. So I have to select that. So it will be showing me the quality of this movie. वो आसमान देख रहे होंगे और हम उनके पांव तले से जमीन इसलिए जासूसों का इल्म भी नहीं है बेटी हमारी हिदायत. Now, coming on my honest review, first of all, do you need to buy this? My question is, do you have the smart TV at home? If you don't have the smart TV, then yes, you should go for it because it will give you a lot of option for the entertainment. But if you already have the smart TV and you are asking, do I need to still buy this product? Then I would say only when you are like thinking that instead of going to the different apps like Prime Video, Netflix, Tubi, or other programs, apps, to find out which one is the right movie for you or which one program is the right entertainment program for you. So that will be helping that because it will be showing all the movies, all the entertainment program on one app, one platform, so that you can select which one you want to play instead of you are wasting your time searching from one platform to the other, one app to the other, and then deciding which movie or program you want to watch. Only that is the thing. And secondly, I buy this product thinking that there will be a live TV channel, but there is no live TV channel. Channel 7, channel 9, which they are showing, that is the program which is already programmed. It is not a live TV. So like a channel 9 60-minute program or so many other program you can watch, but that is not a live TV. So you can't watch a live TV on this device. So on the overall, the quality of the product is high. It's a 10 HDR, so you can get a better quality on the 4K device. So you will enjoy this, and I would suggest you can still buy this product, and which is a value for the money. And the price is currently $88 at Officeworks. I hope guys you enjoyed this video. If you have any question, please leave it in the comment. I will be happy to answer. And subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you.